crap.
Today is very much a day of just bits and bobs today whilst we wait for some parts. So we're going to finish off the bay, filling some holes, and then yeah, marked up all the stuff I don't need. So aircon hoses, tachometer cable, bits. Doing bits, and whilst I'm doing more less skilled work, and I'm blowing literally rust bogies now, so yeah, not fun. Another inspection hole.
Looks alright. Californian desert.
Yeah. So that goes where? Here. So normally battery comes down, this goes out, then obviously opens this up, then stuff goes down here. I mean, under here it's a bit crusty. So the worry was that this is going to be rotting from the inside out, but there's a little bit in there. So a little bit in there, but nothing that can't be treated. So
Welding.
one area I'm happy about. Today has also been an exploring day, whether to put complete floors in, which we're not going to do. We're just going to do some localised repairs, because Eden can do a very nice job of this section to make it all look factory, and it means we won't have a seal line here, because this is all one part, and it means we'd have to put a seal line in. It saves a lot of time and work. This floor has been beaten out and repaired, and some holes back here which will get sorted, and the biggest bit is also, we're going to go into why Mr. Bricky is going to be a little bit of a slower progress, because this man is going to be very busy, and the reason is because of this.
We have land.
And this is going to be unit.
This is going to be the new workshop. Me and the wife have been lucky enough to buy a house with a very large garden. So I'm building a new workshop here. As a result, life's going to be busy. So yeah, things will slow down, but momentum will pick up soon, hopefully.
It's very exciting. I think it's everyone's dream to have a unit down the bottom of their workshop, down the bottom of their garden, the size of this, which is going to be the same size of what he's got, but we can't
envision it.
No. To us it looks smaller, but it doesn't, because he's measured it about 10 times. So yeah, and then back to the workshop. Solid but crusty.
But we're getting to the end of the crust now.
We are. Slowly, surely.
This is solid. This is now solid. This can be repaired. Amongst with this thing in here.
So, and this is the worst side, is it?
Yes.
But also, patch has been done, new nuts, and floor has been done, which you've seen because we've done some.
Oh yeah, forgot about that hole.
Yeah, we did. So he's in. So it's been quite productive this run, and also hopefully, so thanks to the internet, I'm just waiting for some bank details, and I've purchased a panel, so momentum can continue. So, and then go to the garage to put this on. His new purchase, a sensible purchase apparently. What is this? It's your card as well. What is this?
Car.
This is new sensible purchase. And why did you purchase? What did you sell?
Plymouth has been sold. It's gone back to the owner that I brought it off, and brought this that doesn't run.
So,
and I lost my card, and I cancelled it this morning. They're not getting hot, so that's good. Broken.
Bought it broken, to be fair. But once it's not broken,
Once it's not broken, it's 5.5 metres of pure luxury.
and then we're glossing over 46. Look at this for a 2-car garage. Look at the length difference as well. It pokes further back by a considerable margin.
Look at it.
So yeah, welcome to the Rollhard stable.
It is a stable.
It is a stable.
This is where cars come to die.
So that is us done. A big 4-day session on the Datsun. Quick run through, and then this is it to the next episode pretty much. So engine bay has lots of stuff been deleted. Holes are now gone, and we've started filling in various holes in the bay. Some of the archwork this side's been done. Inner arch, should I say. This has all been done. Floors have been started. Sort of a plan has been drawn up for the dog legs. Currently trying to source one of these panels, which is becoming difficult, but we'll see how that goes. And talking of panels, a panel has been purchased for this. I've sent money to a man, so I'm hoping this panel turns up, or I've been scammed for the first time. But we've got a plan for the here and for the whole car now. The whole car's sort of planned out. Overall, it's better in some places and worse than others. So, give or take, it's gone well, I think anyway. I think that's about it. I think we'll leave it here, and then next time I'll have panel in hand and I'll be up to do some more stuff. So we'll leave it there, and I'll see you next time.